Good morning, guys. Oh my god, my voice. This is like the first time that I'm like not whispering. It is currently July 31st. It is my 19th birthday. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. My voice isn't really working right now. It is currently 8:28 in the morning. My sister woke me up at 8 in the morning. She came into my room, and then my dad just came into my room. If you hear any noise downstairs, my mom is still home before she leaves for work at like 9. The plan for today is nothing until around 12. That's when I'm gonna start getting ready because one of my friends, Erica, is coming at 1, and then everyone else is gonna come around at 2, and then we're gonna head downtown and we're gonna go to Areta again. I went to it with my friend Melissa, which if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in one of the cards up here or here. I don't really know where it is, but the reason why I wanted to go there again is because they had a bar, and from what I've been hearing is that it's like a really good bar. They have really good drinks. I'm only really into like fruity drinks. Like I have done whoa, this is weird because I can legally drink. It's so weird. It's not like I haven't like had any alcohol before. Like who hasn't drank something when they weren't legally supposed to? But I can like legally order myself a drink. That's crazy. But yeah, I don't really have anything planned. Like 12 is when I'm gonna start getting ready. Today you'll get to see Zisha and Erica, who I think have been in videos before. You also get to see Ashley. I can't remember if she's ever been in a video, but I think she has. Nishig, and then my friend Diana. Yeah, I'm excited, but I will just update you guys when I have something to update you because I feel like my brain isn't really functioning right now. Hi guys, so right now it is 9:19 and I am sitting here editing tomorrow's video. When I started this video idea, it's gonna be how to kind of give like the perfect gift. I'm still working on a title, so I have no idea what it is gonna be called. But when I started filming this video, it was a long time ago. I think it was like maybe a week and a half ago. So most of it was already filmed and I've just been procrastinating. Oh my god. Oh my god, where is it? I'm gonna scream. There's a freaking spider. Oh my god. Do we see that? There's a by the way, my room is so messy, but there's a freaking spider. No, I'm getting the vacuum. Ew, I don't even know where it is. Oh, I see it. Okay, ew. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope I got it. Oh, if that wasn't the most terrible birthday present I could have ever gotten, I don't know what is. Hi guys, so update. I just got ready. I have my full-on outfit as well as I did my hair. I put these little cute pearl clips in. It is currently 1:14. The last thing I have to do is my makeup, so I guess I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna do, I think, a quick time lapse. My makeup routine doesn't really change typically. I did post my everyday makeup routine a couple weeks ago, which I will link in the description box down below as well as in one of the cards. I don't remember which side it's on, so if you want to check it out, do that. The only thing I'm really gonna change is probably my eyeshadow look. Actually, I think I'm gonna do the exact same thing because I love like pinky tones. Other than that, I'm just gonna speed through this because why not? I'll just speed through all of this. Somebody is here. Because then it looks like we're going too fast. I don't know if she knows that this is... I think that's her.
That's your phone? I think she texted you.
Can you go check it? I don't want to go back. What are we going? Okay, wait, open the door.
Go fall downstairs.
Go open it, go open it.
Wait, how do you open your door?
Just turn.
This one?
Yeah.
This way?
Yeah. No, 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 other way.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, Kiana's opening Diksha's gift.
Wow. No, this is yours.
Isn't that yours?
Oh, yeah, it's a gift card, sorry.
Okay, great.
This girl's like, oh, opening it.
I thought it was upstairs, that's why I'm confused.
Oh my god.
I thought so. Did you even bring it down?
Is it just one thing? Or is it like...
Yo, she's smart. I don't even know what she did. Oh, this is Erica. Erica, say hey. Oh, she's opening it. Sorry, sorry. Hold on.
It's so...
I should have put that one on the bottom, but I was in a rush.
It's so...
Open the box. No, open that last. You already know what
She did that with mine too. I love Diksha. She's like, okay, maybe you should open that one last. I was like, okay.
You want me to open my card?
Yeah, but like, it's not really a card. It just came with the gift.
Oh.
What is it?
No, this is, guys, can you even see it? This is so cute though. I would actually keep, I knew it.
Okay, go.
I knew it. Okay.
Why is it so nice?
Not so much.
Yes.
Whoa!
I'm turning out because my sisters like to steal that.
I know those ones.
Yeah!
Look how many you got. That's so cute.
It's a...
She proud of herself. She's like, yo, mama did her well.
Do I need to... Is it already open?
Stop, she's about to crash. She's about to crash.
I'm gonna cry. I can't. My eyelashes are gonna fall off.
I know those ones.
Is this the thing that you were waiting for?
Yeah, it was on back order and somehow it came on time.
Oh, it's even on.
Don't
Wait,
show the other
wait.
side. It's my address.
There you go.
Yeah.
The packaging
Wow,
is so cute.
it's so nice. Come to see, come to see.
That's actually so cute.
What is it?
What is it? We'll see right
I don't know
now.
which one she got, so I'm hoping that...
Ooh.
Is it one on the list? Or no?
Maybe not.
Oh my god, I hate her.
Oh.
This one.
Oh, I see it. Ooh.
They're earrings.
Oh,
Which ones are they? Yeah, they were the one on your list, by the way.
Okay. Yay!
She had to make sure. She's yeah, put the one on the
I
list.
don't want to wear them right now because...
They were on back order. It was so popular.
Her so popular. Okay, there's Yana, there's Ashley, we can finish the thing, and then there's Kaka, and then there's Kiana, there's the birthday girl. Do you guys have anything to say to Kiana?
You're 19, big up.
You big up? Big up.
Birthday, Kiana!
Pay your bills.
Yeah. Bills. Diksha, what do you have to say? We know you love chips.
We should take a shot before we leave.
Kiana,
Then we're gonna tumble.
you're an amazing person.
Yeah.
I love you so much. Mwah.
Wow, that was
Oh my god, my
beautiful.
lashes.
Hey Kaka, what do you have to say?
Happy birthday. You best take your first shot with me.
Yes.
Not your first shot because you're...
Yes, with Philippine, you know, I'm Filipino too, kinda, you know.
Okay.
You know, and now last but not least, the bestest, you already know. So, yeah, you know, Kiana. Whoa, I feel really, okay, hey Kiana, it's your birthday. Wait, am I supposed to be looking there or in there? I think here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, in this, okay. Yeah, it's your birthday, it's your 19th, you know, drink up, drink nice drinks because that's what I did on my birthday. Yeah.
No.
Okay, so we are all at the restaurant. Yes. That's the birthday girl.
You can zoom too. It's a zooming.
Is it this one or this one?
Zoom is here. For what?
Here?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah.
Kiana. Wow, what a nice girl. I got that on video. How does this feel, actually?
Zoom into each other.
I know, right? Oh, I promise we're okay. This is the menu. The menu is delicious. I think I'm gonna get this one right here. Where is it? This one. And then me and Kiana got drinks. Wow, big nice game. Update, really close update. So currently we finished eating. My pizza was delicious. Taking it to go. Ashley finished hers. What a champ. Ashley. I zoomed into that.
What was that? Look at that stupid life hack.
Okay, what is this?
Do your feet hurt?
What is this commercial? No, don't show it yet.
Why?
Show do your feet hurt, do your little bit.
Do your feet hurt? Do your heels not fit in your bag? Everything.
Okay, but what if they don't have straps like this? Like what if it's like a
I'm
wallet?
sorry, sis. You're gonna have to walk.
Girl said sorry, sis. There's a birthday girl. Cute she loves. What a cute Filipino. We love Filipinos. All of these girls are Filipinos. Snakesy Filipinos. That's her with her. Is that a sangria? Yeah. She said it like 5 times and I still can't remember. I got a peach Bellini, but it's done. Finished. I'm not an alcoholic, I promise. Dang, Bria. There's Disha. Were you happy with your food?
No, I really like my food.
Okay.
Some of the mushrooms, I wish it was just like cut a bit more smaller, really big.
Yeah.
But other than that, I really like it.
Ashley, I assume you enjoyed yours?
Yeah, I enjoyed mine. It was so good.
Let me zoom in.
We got the same thing.
Pistachio crusted.
With powder.
Icing sugar.
She's so excited.
They are ladies.
Haircut tattoo, that's cute. Oh my god, did you get that? Did you get that?
What? I got the egg.
Okay, ready?
Currently finished at, what's it called again? Wow, I'm so forgetful.
The restaurant?
Yeah. Oretta?
You were just there.
Cololo Siciliano. Okay, quick stop. Look at this place. It's cute. Anyways. You guys, you hear me screaming? Just so we got scared. Oh my god. Kevin. It ran away. You guys don't call pigeons Kevin? I do.
How could his name be Stanley?
Stanley? Oh, Stanley's good too. So we have now reached this adorable alley. Yeah, I could go there, stand and show them. Yeah, look how cute that is. And then over here on this pink wall, it's like all you need is love.
Sitting on this stupid thing.
How adorbs.
Sitting on the air.
Yup. Yeah.
Okay, so we
Yeah.
back here. You stop. Don't get
Yeah.
me excited. Whoa. Yo, Eka, come in. Eka.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. I'll fight. Do it again. Yeah. Hey. What?
Yeah! I was like, it's so early. I know, right? Okay.
You need to like, I need a slime.
Yo, we need a, yeah, someone put on a beat. Ooh, right. Okay.
Yup. Hey. I'm a tourist in my own city, you already know. Guys, you know what I really want to do?
Yeah.
You know that city seeing that bus?
Yeah,
I don't know. I feel no.
Wait, which bus are you talking about?
That sightseeing
Oh,
bus.
I've been on it with my
It's fun.
cousins.
And there's Deeksha.
You ready, Nasheen? Let's ride!
It's like the Mario Kart sound effect. Mario Kart vibe.
Where'd she go?
She's about to die. Look how she backed up into the bye, Nashik. So I took over Nashik's job. We're just chilling. How does your feet feel, Kiana?
Oh, they're dead. I can't even move them.
But you know what? Beauty is pain, period.
Beauty is pain. Period. Period. Do you want to hear a riddle? Why can't Elsa have a balloon?
Oh, it's a different one.
Yeah. Why can't Elsa have bulimia? Whoa! Where did you get bulimia from balloons, sis?
Oh, balloons. I have Sorry.
Why can't Elsa have a balloon? Elsa can't have a balloon because she'll just let it go. Thank you so much. Appreciate my. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.
Water's so good. Holy crap, right?
Water's love. Water is life.
Water is life.